Hello everyone, it's Hushar, and today I'm here to for another tutorial about C++, and we are going to start now. So today I want to talk about integers, characters, uh, floating points, booleans, and uh, and I'm gonna uh, teach you how to use them in your programs, and it is also about an introduction about C++, like my first video, but the next one I will start in a project base, and just listen today, and I'm gonna show you how to use these data types and these short text primitive data types. These data types are built-in or predefined data types and can be used directly by the user to declare variables. So I'm gonna start. I have opened my uh, Visual Studio. So about integers, how to use integers in C++. So I just type int and declare a variable, for example x, y, z, everything you want. But there are also some limitations in the C++, um, like big and small characters in the name of your variables, like at sign, and also something else that I'll teach you later. But now I just name my variable x. Okay, uh, you can assign a value to your variable, like for example 17. Okay, so when I want my print out my value on the screen, there you just see out x. When I run my program, you will see the output. Just wait a little. Okay, my computer is working a little slowly, and just forgive me about that. Okay, you see 17 on the screen, and it prints out the value of my variable. So now I just wanna add some variables together, some integers variable. I exit from this running. I'm sorry. So you can declare some variables in just a line, and it's not a problem. Just put a colon here. Y equals, for example, 20, and in the end of each line code you should use semicolon. Now you have x equals 70 and y equals 20, and you can use it here. For example, cout x plus y, uh, it will show the sum of these two variables, and there is no any problem. You can use this line, or for example you can use this. You can declare another variable, or variable equal into z, and now z equals x plus y, and now it will this will add these two variables and put it into z, and now I wanna print out z. Cout z. Okay, now I'm gonna run it again. Now you'll see 37 in your output, and this add these two numbers and put it into z variable, and it will show the 31, and I print out z. Just I will stop it again. Okay, and now I wanna use float variables, float, to see what how float workings. For example, a equal 10.5 and b equal 5.3. Okay, now I'm gonna add these two numbers together and show the result. What will be the result, and what is the difference between integers and float. Cout a plus b, and I'm gonna run it again. So I want to show you something here that you haven't seen before. I have add these two variables together and to this float together, but as you can see, uh, they haven't there isn't any distance between these two value that we have here, and I wanna separate them. Okay, how to separate them? I'm gonna show this to you. To separate these two numbers, it's just when I cout z, we just put int l here, and this one will be printed in another line, in a new line, and I want to show this to you. As you can see, we have succeeded in this, and they have separated. Now uh, when I want to put this a little more separated from this one, we just add a little NTL here, for example, cout NTL cout, and it means end line, I think. And I wanna put the text that is showing us a little more down. It's just for that text to be separated from my codes when I see them in the output, nothing more. Okay, as you can see, there is some lines between them, and I wanted to show this to you a little more clear, to see what will happen if we use Intel in our codes. And just don't worry, I'm gonna use project based videos in the next videos, and just this is a little introduction in these courses to see what will be happen if you use these things in our projects. And I'll explain it more in future videos. So I wanna add a float with an integer together to see what will happen if we add float and int together. I wanna add a and x together to see the result. To see if is it possible to add an integer and a float together or not. Yeah, that's possible, and as you can see, the result will be 27.5, and you can use them together, and there's no problem. I wanna use divide here, for example. How to use divide in our projects. I'm sorry, /b. And now run my program. And here's the result: 1.9898113. and you can use uh, multiplication C out A. For using multiplication, just hold shift key with 8, the 8 number in your keyboard, and it will type it B. Now I'm gonna run this. As you can see the result of these two again, and I think it's enough for today, and uh, I'll give you my promise to start with project based in next videos, and they will be more useful. They will be uh, more better than this I've done into these videos, and I hope this will be useful for you too. I hope that you will be have a good day, and thanks you for your watching.